have a flattened face like me after wearing makeup, it is more rustic than plain. Be sure to try these 5 makeup items. Super temperament. Isn't it popular? Just the studio I went to today. Their family also has this content, so it was really popular when I watched it there. When I went today, so are they. Well, give me a test like this first. I anticipate. I think I should be one of those warm autumn or warm winter type. What shape do you think I am? Let's just test it together. At that time, the mystery will be revealed on the spot. When I made an appointment, their customer service told me it is best to wear some simple black, white, and gray bottoms. Easy to test, so I'm going to wear this sling directly over there. Okay, let's do it now. Tell me when the color changes. I have to pay attention. It's really a little tired. Plus, I told the teacher, I also prefer the colors of spring. The teacher was very kind to help me. Inside the colors of spring, picked out a few that suit me. And then you're done. The teacher will help us. Write a color card of our own. Later, we can use this color card to analyze your makeup and outfit. And then we did something else. Choice of gestures. Within what kind of pattern should you choose when wearing clothes? And the pattern is really, really careful. What vertical pattern? Plaid and some dots, polka dots, have undergone various tests after choosing the color and painting. Also did about the neckline. How to choose a large opening, a small opening, or a round neck? The V-neck is really meticulous. The hair color is quite fun, like do I belong to the autumn pedestrian? Definitely the same. A warmer brown would suit me better. By this point, I thought it was over. As a result, the teacher took out a ruler to measure my face again, analyze what kind of hairstyle is suitable for me. It's due, you're due. We're right on the 6th day. After analyzing the hairstyle, the teacher began to measure my 3 quarts and 5 eyes. I always thought I had a long atrium. I will measure it out. Yellow gas on the face. You see where my pores are. The teachers are all in circles, and then they spread them out. Finally, pat it evenly with a puff. It's super, super thin. Here it is. Here the teacher is adjusting the color of concealer for me. From here on out, every step is carefully watched. Seriously remember about concealer. The teacher also uses 2 colors to reconcile. Cover my dark circles. Let me give you a closer look at my eyes. There really isn't any card pattern powder. It's very thin. I have learned to forget myself. The whole person has been abolished off screen. When the teacher gave me liquid foundation, look how thin this amount is. In the face, it is still done in circles. The teacher then took another brush, spread the foundation on your face thinner and more evenly. So the brush is really useful. Don't think he's useless. And then the puff. Pat him evenly on the face. At this point you see my face. It's like a transparent skin suit. Really, really thin. Zoom in to see the teachers. Did you notice? The teacher pointed out that liquid foundation was applied to my inner contour. The outer outline is unpainted, including around the forehead and hairline. Then use the bright one. The foundation is in my face, and we superimposed it twice. Also very thin, but his face brightens silently. It's filling up. After foundation, start treating nasolabial folds. Lay it tiled with a brush first, then pat it open with a puff. I came back and tried it like this. It really can be thin and concealer. Nasolabial folds. New knowledge here, too. The teacher said it must start above the nose, brighten this groove brown. It's really a different effect, and look at that. When the teacher was understanding my snot is completely, avoid the place where my nose gets stuck easily. He uses a puff, slowly transition to the tip of the nose. Shoot evenly. This is really not stuck at all. Then the teacher brightened my chin. I really feel this is the worst jaw I've ever had. I don't feel anything after breaking it. Then I looked in the mirror again and found my mother. Why is it so obvious? Use this yellow one. I immediately asked the teacher what kind of lighting was used. Let's not talk about the technology not getting home. The same item must be owned. Teacher, lightening is all based on the appearance of the bones, only on the bridge of my nose except for my chin nose, and a small amount of brightening on the brow bone. When I first started wearing makeup, I found a lot of the same style as the teacher. I'm still busy here, I guess the same color number as my teacher, but I never expected. The next one he painted was on mine. Under the brow bone as a shadow later, I found out that there are 2 teachers. The colors of the blush cream are mixed together. Like when fighting eyelids, the teacher added a little more of that new blush color. This will make the eyelids more bloody. Base the contour of the entire eye. I'll use these two colors. The depth is harmonized back and forth and drawn. Yes, especially the kind of shadows that are unnatural to your eyes. Including this blush on my face. It is also made by mixing these two pastes. Like the place in the face? Just mix a little more blood color place around. There's a little more nude on the cheekbones, including the nose. The teacher also brought a little bit of this color. This step is to give blush. The eye makeup shadows are all unified in one tone. Then I painted the upper lip with these two colors. The teacher said something like this, visually. It can also shorten the atrium effectively. Take the lead and simply draw a pattern for the eyeliner. I specially recorded the process of the lower eyelashes. That was amazing. The teacher brushes with mascara first, then perm after ironing. I brushed it again with mascara. Pinch him with tweezers. This final effect, it's really like those glued eyelashes. Super beautiful. These eyelashes are actually later. I was also planted by the teacher, the flat-headed forceps. It feels safer than the pointed ones, after the upper eyelashes are pasted. It's also very natural. No particularly exaggerated styles are posted. Later, the teacher used mascara again. The real and false eyelashes were combed together. You see, I'm looking in the mirror right now. This corner of the mouth really can't be suppressed. This makeup is really beautiful. After applying eye makeup, always think my blush is a little too much oxidized, so I just put a little on my face this time. I only sprayed setting spray on my face. No powder setting yet? Let me show you. The current makeup on the whole facet really doesn't feel pink, and it's incredibly thin. When the teacher was drawing eyeliner before, just use eyeshadow to draw a prototype, and now I'm using eyeliner. Pen handle. That eyeliner trace out the shape. What about the eyebrows? The teacher first used eyeshadow to simply hit a bottom. After the primer, the teacher started using eyebrow pencil one by one, draw that hairy flue. But the whole thing is soft. It's not the particularly hard one. This is me giving my teacher Amway an eyebrow pencil. I didn't expect the two of us. They are all loyal fans of this eyebrow pencil. The kind that has been returned countless times, yeah. I used a lot of eyebrow pencil, and then I realized this is the best one. And then finally, the teacher uses quick drying mascara as a whole, brushed his eyebrows. The whole thrush step. The teacher and I are still quite consistent. The eyebrows drawn like this are existing blind influenza so natural, and the teacher highlighted it. The highlights of the eyebrow bone and nose, because of the painting so far. I still don't have a powder setting on my face. You can see my nose, my forehead. It's all a little oily. So the teacher at this time is Jane. I made up the order. Use powder after replenishing setting products for the forehead, and give him around the nose gently pressed. It's very, very thin here. Here the teacher started to use grooming, began. To deepen my sense of contours, do you remember? There's no foundation around my face. So this time, this grooming, it blends in with my entire complexion. Here's the basics. This makeup is almost there.